Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a Google Sheets table to your Wix website. This is a great way to display live data or organize information that updates automatically. Let's get started. On your Wix dashboard, first make sure you have a Google Sheets document ready. Here, we have Google Sheets open. Click the Share button, then select anyone with the link. Copy the link and click Done. Now, we will go back to our Wix dashboard. Click Add Element, go to Embed and Social, and then select Embed Codes. Select this option and then click Enter the code. Change this to Web Address and click here, then paste your Google Sheet link. Click Apply. And that's it. Our Google Sheets table is now showing on our Wix website. We can keep our content updated and display data in a clean, dynamic way.